We're back in Vietnam, and this time we are eating and coffee drinking our way through Hanoi, which surely must be the food capital of the world. Join us on our first few days in this mind-blowing city.
We made it! 24 hours before takeoff in London, we didn't even know if we were still going. Then decided in the morning of the travel day. Quickly packed and went. We'll tell you all about it.
Well, we're back again, all the way from London to Hanoi. Me and Pat arrived yesterday, very late in the evening. And it's just nice to be back. I was just saying how nice it is. Obviously, we went to Ho Chi Minh last time. We've got a lot of exploring to do in Hanoi, so join us now for the next couple of days.
Straight into the deep end. This is such an assault on the senses. I absolutely love this place.
And it's the first Saturday here, down kind of like a market here in Hanoi. And me and Pat thought we'd come out for a little bit of vegan food and a little bit of a stroll around the market on the Saturday.
Good morning!
Good morning!
From Vietnam.
From sunny Vietnam.
We had a long journey. We thought first of all we weren't even going to come because there's a typhoon hitting here. Turns out on the day we travelled it fizzled out, so it was meant to be.
Yeah, I was just looking at the news. One thing, don't look at the news if you're thinking about travelling. And just go with your instincts. Patty's a lot more up for it than me, and yeah, you know, we come together and make the decision and we stuck to it, and now we're here.
In general, with everything in life. Anyway, so now we're going to explore Hanoi. We've never been here, we've only seen the south of Vietnam, and this time we're going to explore the northern and maybe a bit of the middle side as well, and see where it takes us. So today will be all about Hanoi and the beauty that is Vietnam.
Yeah, can't wait. I'm gonna have an egg coffee because that's what I'm prone for and love my coffees. And I go exploring. It's a Sunday here, it's quite humid. I'm just gonna spend the day taking it easy and checking out some new things. Hey, good morning. How you doing? Hello. We're off to a lake this morning, or today, and Sunday here in Hanoi. And yeah, no better way to go and spend the afternoon checking out one of the lakes here. Hopefully it'll be nice and relaxing, maybe get a little cheeky coffee, and then see what we get up to.
You love your coffee, especially here.
Bit too much,
yeah,
eh? That's the coolest little motor. Look at that one. Pikachu car. That is super cool, man. I've never seen one like that before. Check out that car park.
I know. It's like a little wind-up tower. We've seen so many of here. I think they're electric, probably from China. It's hilarious.
Patty, you're coming.
We found ourselves a vegetarian banh mi, so can't wait for that one.
All the veggies, really nice. Hello, this is pretty crazy, isn't it, for a Sunday? Hustle and the bustle, we're off to the park, love. And trying to find some breads, which is like their banh mi. If we can find one on the street, is even better. I'd rather do that, I think, when I'm here. Just buy more things off street vendors than go into shops. But let's get into the mix, let's go.
From the hustle and bustle, we're still in the city, but now we're by a lake. It's crazy.
Here's a lot of the people, locals will come out here for a Sunday. It's quite nice, isn't it? There's a lot more, it doesn't feel like so much traffic and all that here now. Feels like a lot of people just chilling out Sunday afternoon.
Yeah, it's
Really
crazy
nice.
that this is here, and there's a bigger one. Let's check this out. Hanoi is a 1,000-year-old city with many contrasts, and is one of the reasons we like it so much. We see French architecture visible in some parts and in food as well, and a mix of modern life with old traditions all jumbled up in a fascinating city. What really makes this city, however, are the people who are very kind and beyond friendly. What do you make of this?
It's really pretty, isn't it? It's proper chilled out. A lot nicer to come out of the hustle and bustle of the big buildings. It's a lot more breezy around here by the lake, and everyone just chilling out on literally a Sunday afternoon. Love it. I've been back, and they really do outdo the coffee here. It's just incredible. The coffee scene, they seem to mix it with everything. So I tried the egg coffee, I'm going to try a coconut one later, and they had one with cinnamon in, and just the whole coffee business or culture out here is incredible. So I'm going to try all of them just for you guys and me. I'm after just the bread roll, but every time you go to these stalls, it's the banh mi as well. So ideally, chicken and pork in the sandwich. But I'm just trying to find these bread rolls, really crispy. Me and Pat can share one later. I will find one. Summer Simon.
No, I was just checking when New Year's Eve is. It's the same as for us.
So if the one thing that I've been loving here in Vietnam is definitely just the chilled out vibe of people. There's no hustle and bustle, and super safe area as well. We just had a coffee, left my bag, go to the toilet, things like that, and you really don't have to worry here. It's absolutely a place where you can just feel chilled, tranquil. A lot like Ho Chi Minh and Hanoi. Feels like there's so much more to explore here as well. Well, there she goes. Oi, eyes off that. Patty wants another fan.
Always. Bamboo or plastic. I'm not a snob when it comes to fans.
Are you sure, love?
Yes, I just like it to do a good job and keep me cool. Right now.
Yeah, well, I like that. It's really
Sun
nice.
is trying to come out.
One thing, guys, super cheap in Vietnam. We've only had like coffee and bought some bananas, and we spent about
And half a banh mi each. I don't know how much we spent. Not a lot.
It's not a lot. It's great. I think we're gonna set up camp, stay here forever if they let us. One monkey, one German. Ich heiße ja. Wo bist du?
Oh, there we go.
Got to practice my German, eh?
We got approached by some lovely teenagers who wanted to practice their English with an interview, which was beyond cute. Parents were also nearby, ensuring it was all kosher, and as a thank you, Phil got a traditional baked goodie.
In England we have this as marzipan, very like almonds. It's really tasty. Good. I used to be a teacher, so for me, seeing this young lad learning English was really nice and super cute as well.
Wet.
Here we go. You ready, Pat?
Yeah.
I can't believe after all that storm yesterday, everything flooded down the street, and now everything back to normal. Hey, your morning party people.
So this was such a washout yesterday. We didn't leave our room all day. We tried to eat something, but we couldn't even walk through the streets.
It was flooded.
Waiting, yeah.
Probably, wasn't it?
Wading through the water.
Really sadly, you see people trying to get through the roads, even on the bikes they can even get through them. So
No one got through anywhere.
But today it's like nothing ever happened. So we're out for a bit of an egg coffee. Pat's got some cinnamon tea.
Yes, and yeah, enjoy the beautiful foods that Hanoi has to offer. Let's see.
Well, let's go. Oh my days, it's lovely.
Walking the streets of Hanoi, it looks like every corner turns into a kitchen. We see many wonderful and for us unusual sights. Theo found himself a secret bancha. Through an alley, we sit with other people on tiny chairs and enjoy this one meal experience. He absolutely loved this dish. Since it contains pork, I gave it a miss and found myself a vegan place that had quinoa salad. I know not exactly local cuisine, but very fresh and delicious, so I was happy. So from the hustle and bustle, we come to the tranquility of the lake. I don't know what it's called, do you?
No, it's just a couple of guys fishing here, people playing badminton. It's a lot very nice, it's relaxing, isn't it? To come here when it's get all the people with no pavement.
Yeah.
100% watching around. Hanoi's a really cool city, I've been really enjoying it so far. It's great if you love your food and your bars and saunas and spas, that kind of stuff.
So much more food to explore. We have to stay a while here to even do a dent. We'll try. I know Phil definitely will.
Oh yes, there's food and coffee, there's a Philly boy.
How's that coffee you just had?
Pretty damn tasty, Bubs. I think all the coffee here is pretty good. That was a Vietnamese drip coffee, which was kind of like their traditional one here. But for me, the egg coffee, still at the top part, still there.
And I had the matcha. It was incredible. Matcha latte with coconut water. Oh wow. I'll have that again. I love the animals, but I'm not gonna get too close to that frog.
Why not?
What if it jumps on me?
Take him home as a pet.
Oh, thanks.
Hi people, it's a good day today. Me and Pat went out for a little walk today, went to the lake and also to go check out some new accommodation. I've got to say one thing, if you're planning on getting a taxi or taxi Uber, we're using the Grab app a lot. Do not, and I say do not, go on the meter because we found out a very expensive mistake, which a journey of 5 minutes nearly cost me £5. So do be aware of that. If you're going to do it, just book in advance. Don't go up to one and then say, oh, it's on the meter, because you're going to be waiting a long time, especially with the traffic around here. Super cute. I'm loving the food and really good vibe. So the lady was just saying that they're getting ready for the festival happening from Monday. So we're going to, me and Pat are going to be down here having a bit of a dance and boogie to that. So yeah, really cool vibes. Amazing food this evening. Pat's happy to have so much vegan food. But anyway, enough to the noise. If I was a kid, I'd love one of them.
Hanoi is an assault on the senses. There's so much going on, you don't even know where to look. Theo and I just stopped for some ice cream and dessert. Don't know what's in there, but I think it's gonna be good.
It is sweaty, so this should be interesting. So it's like mung beans and durian, and it's all in a liquid kind of Looks like it's been in like a bowl of jelly kind of thing. Oh, thanks so much. That's amazing. Thank you. Oh, I love the ice cream. What's the ice for?
There's a pub street in the Old Quarter, which is intense and fun if you like loud music and people watching. There are many people trying to get your attention to sit down and have some drinks. The atmosphere is electric. Mix in the heat and humidity and you get yourself a lot of sweaty tourists, that's us included.
It really has been an amazing and eye-opening first couple of days here in Hanoi. Thank you for watching, we love sharing our journey with you, and join us next time as we continue to explore this magical city. Peace.